Hi viewers, welcome to this video, and today I will be teaching you how to let AI design Shopify store. So just let's start. So first of all, open up your browser and search there build your store AI and click on the first website. And after clicking on the first website, you guys will be seeing this type of interface. So just enter your full name, just like I'm entering, and enter your any of your email address and just enter a password just like I'm entering, and in just 2 minutes it will auto create your Shopify store. And from here you guys can pick a niche like fashion, pets, electronics, home and garden, sport and fitness. And just like for example, I want to build a Shopify store for electronics, so I will just click on it and I will click on done. And as you guys can see, you guys can also select any banners from here, just like I like this banner, so I will click on it and this will also look good. And I will click on done. After that, you guys have to read all these instructions for creating your Shopify store. You guys have to pay $1 for 1 month of Shopify for the first time. So after buying that, you guys have to click on Access Shopify and click on it. And after that, enter your email address here. And you guys can also try a free trial of 3 days, just like I'm doing. Enter your email address here and click on start free trial. And from here, you guys can create your store very easily, just like I'm just starting. And you guys can also select all of these, or you can also skip all to like I want to build a online store. I will click on it, online store, product I buy or make myself, next. And you guys can also select your region from here, just like from Pakistan, so we'll just click on Pakistan. I will click on next, and just you guys have to log in here with your Google, Facebook, or Apple, or with your email, and your Shopify store will be created easily using AI. And that's how you guys can easily use AI for designing your Shopify
If you
store.
find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.